Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, power liftgate, four-wheel independent suspension, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors.